Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: admin dashboard access, developer account, and two-factor authentication enabled. Once confirmed, navigate to the website's developer or API section. This is usually in settings. Make sure you have the exact app ID and redirect URI ready, because forms validate them strictly. Click Create New Project or Register Application. Provide a clear name, select permissions you need, and save. This starts the key issuance process. Don't skip accurate redirect URIs, or the request will fail later. Next, you fill the registration form, concise name, purpose, and a privacy contact email. Then, choose only the API scopes you truly need to reduce review friction, and enter the exact redirect URI. Mismatches break authentication. Upload any verification documents the platform requests, like organization proof or tax forms, and agree to rate limits and usage policies. Once submitted, monitor the dashboard for review status. Expect an automated email. If manual review is needed, response times vary. Be ready to respond quickly. When approval arrives, you retrieve the API key and secret from credentials. Copy them immediately. Store secrets in environment variables or a secrets manager. Do not hard-code them into apps. Once stored, run a simple authenticated API call to confirm access, check response codes, and verify rate limits and scopes behave as expected. If the key fails, revoke and regenerate only after confirming redirect URIs and scopes. Troubleshooting tip: if authentication errors persist, clear cache tokens, confirm server time sync, and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.